Inside Affinity Photo, there are a couple options where you can change a color photograph into a black and white photograph. In this video, I'm going to show you two different ways you can do it. There is no option in Affinity Photo to simply go Image, Desaturate. That's in Photoshop. So what we're going to do instead is take a look at our photo, and over on the right-hand side, you're going to see this Adjustment tab. And if you double-click it, it'll collapse. So you might see it like this on the right-hand side. Just double-click the Adjustment button, and you'll see that it opens up, and you've got these different options. You can expand by simply clicking them, and you can change the way your photos look. This is non-destructive, by the way. When I make a change, it'll add to the background layer that I've got this image opened at. So the first one that I'm going to do is I'm going to look for black and white. It's right near the top. I'm going to click it. It's going to open up, and I can do default, cold, or warm. I'm going to click default, and it will simply change this color photograph into a black and white photograph. And it gives me a slider as well that you can use where you can change the way the photograph looks. I'm simply going to delete that slider out, and we can see now on my layers panel, we've got a black and white adjustment over top of the background. I can simply check mark the black and white adjustment, which turns it off. And now I'm back to a color photograph. I can select it again, and it comes back on. And if you want to delete this out, simply right click the layer, click delete, and that will remove it completely. If you click default again, it'll add it back in, and you can get back into this preset as well. So you could change the way this layer looks by moving little reds and yellows and things like that. Now it's going to show up as black and white, but you can really tweak the photograph to make it look quite arty simply by moving some of the gradients around. So that could make a really nice art picture, for example. Click the reset button, goes back to the beginning. You can also select cold, which is simply just moving some of these sliders, and warm, which moves some of these sliders as well. So that's option number one to create a black and white adjustment. I'm going to simply delete this out, and I'm going to show you tip number two. Tip number two is over on the right-hand side, and instead of black and white, I'm going to go over to threshold. That's slightly farther down. When I click default, same sort of thing's going to happen. The difference between threshold and black and white is that threshold has no gray in it. It's simply black or white. If I move the slider all the way to the left, it's going to be pure white. If I move it all the way to the right, it'll be pure black. So you can simply tweak it, and you can make an arty looking print very easily by just taking a look at the threshold. And then you could add colors to it, you could modify it. Two very simple ways that you can change your photograph into black and white. And again, the layer sits on top, so you can simply turn it off, or you could also right click and delete it. I hope you found this quick walkthrough helpful. I do like using Affinity Photo, and I hope you do too. Here's another video on how you can supercharge your Affinity Photo skills.